Okay, so it was bad air in the front tire, so I don't know, but I fill it up again and let's take it for a ride. So we got idle at least. In the RPM, I believe. I think it's better acceleration but slower top speed. Need to fix the brake. It takes long inside. So the brake doesn't work very well. Can press the handle all the way in, so I have to look at that later. Otherwise it's running, the headlight is working, and as you can see the right turning signal was broken, but it's working. You can see the saddle there is not closing, so I don't really know why. You have to press it really hard to get it to close. Braking light is working. And I have the battery in front there. Here I have the right side fairings out, so I can access the carburetor. But the turning signal to the left works. Let's take it for a spin. It's pretty nippy. Accelerates pretty fast. You can hear the rattle. I don't know, it's a metallic rattle somewhere. I don't know what it is, but I think the engine sounds good except from that. Here we have the speed limit, about 45 kilometers per hour. That's where the RPM limit, CDI, restricts it. So that's good. I don't have to go faster than this on the. I rarely do on the bike lanes, and anyway I do like 25, 30. Just to be cautious. Well, I've had some troubles. It's cutting out, and we'll see this in the near future here. I think it cuts out here soon. It's having a bit of problems. The wobbling is gone. So I did find the problems with that. I'll show you later. Here it seems to be dying for some reason. What happened now? And then it starts again. There it died. What is this? Got it starting again. It started right up. I don't know what that was. It's a bit scary though. Got a speed limit at 45, so that's good. But it's working, so I'll call it a day. Now it's starting out again. I did found the problem about 1 year later when I was gonna replace the engine, and it was the stator cables was disconnected or was not connected properly, so it was rattling and it cut off. So not so strange then.
managed to
Okay,
open
next
this
problem
one.
is the brakes,
Brake.
the front brake.
And it doesn't look clean. Looks messy, rusty, whatever. At least we got some level. But yeah, that might be the reason why it's not working very well. Have to check that out, buy some new oil and see if we can let it out here. Using that screw there. Yeah, I've been to Biltema and bought some .4 brake fluid, so gonna see if we can replace this. I'm just gonna refill that .4. I don't know if previous owner has used motor oil or whatever. It looks like crap, but yeah, I bought this .4. So, and I bought this type also, supposed to be one way or something. I don't know if I hooked it up correct, but I'm gonna start loosening that bolt there and see it coming, hopefully. Yeah, I've already started, as you can see. Need to get to the right location and it will hopefully start. Now we got some kind of leak here. Oh, it's leaking here. I need the gloves and we'll see what happens. Start draining here. Yeah, I gotta refill it here. I need both hands. There was a terrible amount of crap there, so I decided to clean it. I couldn't get it draining. It couldn't get it flowing anyway, so I'll try this one. It's a lot more job, but let's see if I can get it. It wasn't flowing very well here, or not at all. So yeah, this went bad. And that little thing there, I pressed it down also. I don't know what it does, if it has any effect. That metal thing there in the circle. So I refilled with .4 new. Doesn't happen much when I press this. So probably something stuck along the line of all this crap. You need that one way valve to work. I couldn't figure it out at first, but apparently I had it correct the first time. This is the way it should be, the thick side up. Because you have a bowl there and a feather and so on, and I cleaned this out also. I removed this one and it was a lot of crap and so on. But I think it's starting to work now. Oops, got a lot of mess here. See how much I had to pump out the old crap. But it's starting to look much better. Not perfect, but yeah, this will do. That window is not good, but yeah, I'm gonna put it back together. This one feels quite solid now. First, before I could press it down here. Now it stops here. So that's nice. Put it back together. This is the cable to the CDI. The blue one you disconnect it if you want it to go faster. Then the scooter goes like 55, 60 if you RPM it really hard. So put it in place and it will be about 45 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I've ordered couple of different sizes of rubber things that goes here. I'm missing some parts, and hopefully I can get it to fit. It's these ones that go through it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it fits. This one of them fits. It's a bit hard getting in place, but now it's there.
This is the original.